Hello, Nick Kringus here with another SEO secret tip video for you. So one of the first courses that I ever bought and studied for SEO was back in 2010, and it was called the Perpetual Traffic Formula by Ryan Deiss of Digital Marketer. And I actually I was curious, and this is going to be a follow-up to another video that we did on the three T's, but I was curious because the three T's, which are trust, traffic, and topic, seemed really similar to what Ryan Deiss was talking about in that course, Perpetual Traffic Formula, specifically in the report associated with it. So I went ahead and Googled Perpetual Traffic Report, Google Triad, I thought that was the name of it, by Ryan Deiss, file type colon PDF. So I wanted to get only the PDFs, and the very first result is that free report that he was giving away back in 2010. So I got a little bit lucky there. But if you look at this report, and somewhere down here he talks about three factors that are kind of universal when it comes to ranking in Google, and lo and behold, they're exactly the same as the three T's that we're talking about today. So the three factors that so what he says here is, at the start of this report, I mentioned that the core of Google's algorithm is made up of three primary variables. They are: one, content or keywords, domain name, tags, etc. Two, links, inbound, outbound, authority, etc. And three, activity, traffic, RSS subscriptions, comments, updates, etc. So how does this relate to our traffic, trust, and topic three T's? Well, the first one, content, is the same as topic. The second one, links, is the same as trust, or how much Google trusts you. And the third, activity, is the same as traffic. So it's just another way of saying the same thing. And it goes to show you that after 7 years from the time that this report was published, the three variables that Google looks at when ranking any website have remained exactly the same. Yes, the three variables have stayed the same, but Google always shifts weight from one to the other. They're always testing and weighing one factor over the other at any given time. Right now, it's becoming more of I guess it would be topic, which is traffic, which is activity, or what people are doing on your site if you're providing them with a good user experience. But like I said, they shift from one to another all the time, and basically they're just closing up loopholes so you can't manipulate their rankings. But the three variables, the three overarching factors, have remained the same for now at least 7 years, probably a lot more than that. So let's go over them one more time. The first one, again, the first T was trust, or how much Google trusts you, or the links pointing to you. Is your website associating itself with other good authoritative websites, or does it have links pointing in that are not so authoritative, that are kind of spammy? The second T, again, is traffic. How much organic traffic, or regular, any traffic, because Google can see how much traffic is coming to your site and what people are doing on their site, and they can make a determination based on that activity or traffic if people are being satisfied by your site and if they're getting what they want. And lastly, the last T is topic. Is your site on topic? How closely related to that one specific niche is it? Or is it, since we deal with mostly law firms, is it all about law generally speaking, or is it about one specific practice area like personal injury, which is a lot better in the eyes of Google because it's just better to be super focused on a niche, because Google thinks that you're the authority in that specific topic, and they tend to rank you better for those related terms. So again, SEO hasn't changed that much. The factors are the same. I just wanted to bring this up. This was one of the first courses on SEO that I ever took, and it's still pretty valid today. Some things have changed, but the three factors, the underlying ranking factors, have remained the same. They are, again, trust, topic, and traffic, and I'll be talking about this probably forever because they are the fundamentals of SEO and ranking in Google. So once again, this has been Nick Kringus. If you like this video, click like below. Subscribe. This is really the only place that I give this type of information to anyone that's not a client, is here on YouTube, or if the video's on Facebook. So subscribe to this channel, like the video, feel free to comment, ask questions. Until next time, this has been Nick Ringus from Apricot Law, over and out.